Hello everybody, it's Stephanie with Coco and Allie Boutique Crafting page. I'm gonna do a really cute craft with this Dollar Tree cross today. Y'all can see that. And I didn't want y'all to have to sit on here and watch me glue everything and pull all the flowers and all that, so I'm doing a pre-recorded for y'all. So all you do is I got all these flowers from Dollar Tree. These are azaleas. I love azaleas. I think they're so pretty in the spring when they're blooming. And you just pull them off the stems. It's real easy. All right, so I'm just gonna start by placing these in the center like I have them, like you see them here. And I'm just gonna glue them in one by one. It's very, very simple. So I have all my azaleas. I know I have enough to go in the center of each one. And you just put some glue like you see me doing here on the stem. And actually it's probably better if you do it around the bottom of it. What we have so far, y'all. So I have these wildflowers that are really cute, and then I also have some hydrangeas. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull some of these off. I think I'm gonna do some of these hydrangeas. Like around the center of the cross. I think what I'm gonna do is take all these leaves from the azaleas and I'm gonna stick them on the outsides, and then here and there I'll add in some of these wildflowers. Okay, y'all, so I've got all my leaves pulled off my stems, as y'all can see here, and I'm going to just start gluing them. Just put a little dab of glue, and then stick it on. All right. So this is what we have so far. And then I'm going to take these little wildflowers and just kind of stick them in here and there. They're real pretty. So this is what we have so far. Isn't that pretty, y'all? So, so pretty. I'll give y'all a close-up of all the different stuff. And then I think I'm going to go in. Let me put this back down so y'all can see what I'm doing. And add some more of these hydrangeas. Let's see. Yep, that's exactly what it needed. All right, y'all. Now I'm going to make a bow for it. So with the bow, I'm just going to take my ribbon and fold it over on itself. And then cut it. And then I'm going to take my pipe cleaner in the center and just twist it around it. And then I'm going to add my next layer. So decide where you want it, and then you're going to have to kind of pull the flowers back and get to the frame and stick your pipe cleaner under there and then twist it. Just like that. All right, y'all. So, just get it on there and then shape it and fluff it. I'm gonna dovetail my ends. I always like to dovetail my ends. Y'all know that. And I'm going to stick a bling in the center to cover up my pipe cleaner. One of these pearly ones. Alright, so I just put some glue on that, and now I'm sticking it onto the center of my bow. That's all there is to it. Now let me turn it around so I can see it. Oh yeah, that's really pretty. Alright, let me let y'all see this. Isn't that beautiful, y'all? It's just a cross wreath for Easter or spring, whatever. It would make a beautiful gift for someone too. But I just love the way it turned out, and I love that bow. The way we put so many different textures and everything together. So, so pretty. So anyway, that's it. So y'all all have a great day, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye-bye.